and get started today for just $1.
Welcome to Gotbackup. You're just steps away from making a full-time income with this amazing opportunity. But first, let me ask you a question. Do you know anyone with a computer, smartphone, or tablet? How about someone who's had a hard drive fail or who's lost irreplaceable documents, photos, music, or videos? If you do, then the Gotbackup opportunity is for you. We all should back up our devices, but how many of us actually do? Gotbackup is the very first fully automated, set and forget secure cloud storage service that pays 100% commissions to you and your team on a consumer-based product that anyone with a computer, tablet, or smartphone needs. Concerned about marketing? Don't be. When you become a Gotbackup licensed reseller, you'll find a great marketing package to help you promote this data-saving system. Here's how you get paid. First, you can have an unlimited amount of Gotbackup direct referrals, which we call your front line. Then, the certified Gotbackup licensed resellers in your front line can have their own direct referrals, and so can they, and so can they, passing income back to you. We call this your power line. At Gotbackup, your front line and power line give you unlimited width and depth. Now let's do the math on how this amazing compensation plan can quickly generate some serious residual income. Let's say you just started, and in your first month, you make $1,000 in direct referrals. Awesome! You keep 100% of that. Currently in your front line is Sarah, and she also made $1,000 from direct referrals this month. Ray, who is her direct referral, and therefore in your power line, has done the same. Now that we know the total of what you, Sarah, and Ray have each made this month, let's look at what that means to you and how much more additional income you can make. Now remember, this month Ray made a total of $1,000, which means that Sarah receives a matching check equal to 50% of what Ray made. So Sarah makes $500 in addition to the $1,000 she made this month. That's a total of $1,500 for Sarah. Sarah rocks! But it gets even better. Now because Sarah made $1,500, you receive a matching check equal to half of what Sarah made. That's an additional $750 of residual income on top of the $1,000 you already made, giving you a grand total of $1,750 that you made in just 1 month. You rock more than Sarah. Sorry, Sarah. Simply put, that's 100% of what you made, or $1,000, 50% of what Sarah earned, or $500, plus 50% of what Sarah earned from Ray, which was $250. Are you starting to see the opportunity? Here's what others have to say.
In fact, I've earned over $300,000 with you in just the last few months.
I've made over $193,000, and that's just, I think, normal commissions. There's bonuses and prizes and things that I've won in some of your contests that I think probably push that up over $200,000.
Get started today for just $1.